Today, Khush will tell you a story about Monkey. One sunny morning, Monkey met his friend Khush, shoulders slumped and eyes weary. He sighed, "Khush, life's been exhausting. On Earth, I'm always busy acting in movies, starring in ads, even helping at the zoo. Every day, it's non-stop." Khush nodded, offering a sympathetic smile. "You deserve a break, Monkey. At Happyland, you can have fun without worrying about anything." Monkey smiled back, grateful. Under the warm sun, his burden felt just a little lighter. Thanks for watching. See you in next episodes.